Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to take you on a home tour of my home for the holidays. So last week we did what to wear to holiday parties, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate, or at least how I decorated my home for the holiday season. So make sure to subscribe and let's go on a home tour. When decorating my home for the holidays, I wanted to go with a winter wonderland theme. I'm obsessed with all the white and the snow, probably because I live in LA and we don't get any snow. So it is snowing in West Hollywood thanks to all my decor. So let's start with my media area. Since I don't have a fireplace, this is really the centerpiece of my living room. My favorite look is garland above a fireplace, or in my case, a media console, since I don't have a fireplace in my apartment. And there's a bunch of ways you can do it. They have pre-made garlands that you can simply drape, but I love the smell of Christmas, just the greenery, and then I always add an eucalyptus, which smells delicious, so I DIY'd this on my own. I went to Trader Joe's and I got a ton of greenery, and then I got eucalyptus, and what's really cool about this is this has actually been up for a week and a half now, so when it dries out, it still smells delicious. And I just added some little fairy lights. I have fairy lights all over my place. They just add just the right amount of twinkle. And then nutcrackers, I think I got it from my mama because she is obsessed with nutcrackers. We always had them growing up. So I got these little pink and gold glitter ones. And when you're making flower arrangements, it's really fun to mix in fresh flowers and fresh greenery with little decor items like these white glitter antlers, or I picked up some glittery snow cones, and then of course the glitter trees. Do you catch a theme? Lots of glitter. I just feel like it makes it very wintry in Wonderland. And then you'll notice that there is a lot of baby's breath. So instead of fake snow, you know those flock trees that have like the fake snow? I think baby's breath gives a similar vibe, and it's fresh and pretty, and it dries out really well. And then I just threw in some ornaments to finish it up. And then on my TV, I have this TV I wrote about on my blog. You can check it out, and it's really cool because you can switch up what you put in the background. So since I live in LA and I don't get that beautiful snowy view that a lot of you get on the East Coast or where it's cold, I put up a photo that Gray Malin took. He's an incredible photographer, so at least I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland. Okay, so now let's head to the second part of the living room. Jack, let's show them our couch, okay? So one of my favorite things to do during the holidays is to add seasonal pillows. It's an inexpensive way to really make your decor pop for the season. So I just added one pillow into the mix of pillows I already had. This little snowflake beaded pillow, which I thought was fun and festive, but still in a neutral color palette. So it blends with everything else. And then I kept my coffee table pretty simple. Ornaments always make a great little holiday decor. So we have a little dog. This I actually got for a bunny, but Jack can take over in memory of her. And then just always candles. I mean, it smells delicious in here, right? And then more fairy lights. So if you have a candle that you've already used, you can just put a little cake top on top and put in some fairy lights. Now I want to show you my Christmas tree. So I didn't do a traditional Christmas tree this year. I have the smell of Christmas with the greenery. Like I got these tiny little wreaths and added a bow, and then the greenery I just showed you. I wanted a minimalist Christmas tree. So I got this birch branch instead, and it's pre-lit. And what I love about it is so minimalist. So I can keep this up, I mean, I think through Easter. We'll see. Maybe I'll take the ornaments down. And the ornaments I actually DIY'd. Come take a closer look. So this was a really fun DIY project the other weekend. I invited some of my girlfriends over, we had wine, and we did some crafting. So I started out with these glass crystal ornaments. I went with iridescent because it adds a little bit of color, and then we filled them, jingle, we filled them with crystals and pearls, and then we attached these little stickers on top. So you can really have fun with the gemstones that you put inside. They're really lightweight. I can link below where I got them. And then you can get creative as well. Like this one, some branches fell off my wreath up there, so we just put them inside. Okay, so this is my favorite DIY of my apartment. I made it snow in Los Angeles. So I thought these were so cool. I found them online. They're just paper snowflakes that come on a string, and I literally just taped them to the mirror and it looks like it's snowing. So for the rest of the dining table, I created kind of like a wreath. My mom called it a bird's nest. I think it looks like a wreath. Basically doing the same technique I did with the garland over there, just adding different greenery, eucalyptus, and then some pine cones and twigs. And then I took more of my jingle jingle ornaments and put them in a bowl in the middle, and then I made my chairs look like little presents by tying bows. You can really utilize bows for so many different parts of your home. Okay, Jack, let's show them our bedroom. Welcome to my bedroom, my winter wonderland bedroom. So come here. Okay, there you go, baby. So I utilized the same tips basically that I showed you in my living room. One being pillows. How pretty is this one? Little rose gold snowflakes, some ornaments. I usually have this fur blanket, faux fur, on my bed already. And you guys can always check out my old home videos. You can see the whole home tour when it's not decorated for the holidays. And then I just put a ton of fairy lights. So obsessed with them. No, Jack, you can't eat the cookies. And then some snowflakes like I did in the living room. A little wreath. This time I did go faux because I was nervous that the greenery would fall on me when I slept. That's not really a good thing. And then I kept it pretty simple because it's my bedroom. Only I see it and Jack sees it. Occasionally my friends when they're coming over. So I just did a little bit of some eucalyptus and a few little mini trees and called it a day. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on my holiday home tour. If you want to see more of my home, you can always check out my past home tours. I break it down by kitchen, by bathroom, so you can see everything when it's not decorated like a winter wonderland. Next week, I have New Year's Eve outfits coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And you can always shop my home decor and my outfits and everything over on my blog. I link to it below. And make sure to follow me on Instagram because I have a ton of giveaways happening right now. And I love you guys. Happy holidays, and I will see you next week. See you, bye, Jack. See, happy holidays. Happy holidays. Good boy. Please stop licking me. Please stop licking me. They're like maracas. Happy holidays. To my Sydne style, you to fail. I love you guys. Jingle, jingle all the way.